Hi. Today, it's really cold outside and rainy. Snowing a little bit this morning. So I decided to just go into my rec room and shoot one of my very favorite pistols. And I figured that while I'm doing this, I might as well make a video and share it with y'all. So we're just gonna go ahead and we're gonna shoot the Crosman 38C in 22. This is one of the older versions. You can tell a lot of it. You can tell by the serial number, of course, but a lot of the older versions, the bluing was a little bit different, and then they changed the bluing on them. But anyway, we're going to go shoot this at a block of clay from about 20 feet, just for the fun of it. So basically, a block of clay like this, it measures about 5 inches across, nice square. Now this stuff, it's really firm. I mean, it's a lot harder. It's a lot harder than your flesh or ballistic gel. It's kind of cold right now, so it's pretty tough. But we're gonna go shoot it from about 20 feet. So let's go have some fun. So let's take a look at the target. There's the target. So that's it for the little clay shoot with the Crosman 38C22. This is one of my favorite guns to shoot. This is, in my opinion, my humble opinion, this is probably one of the best CO2 revolvers that was ever made. They also did, of course, the Crosman 38T, which had the longer barrel, exactly the same gun. If you ever get a chance to get one of these for a good price, you should jump on it because you will enjoy this pistol a lot. Thanks for watching. You all have a good day. And until next time, we'll see you.